Hi everyone, today I'm talking about this new power bank portable charger, slimmest and with 1000 mAh power with built-in cable with 20 watts PD fast charging USB-C in and out battery pack, external phone for iPhone 16, 15, Samsung S23, S22, Google, LG, iPad, any Android phones. The good thing is this with the built-in cable is more convenient and easy to use. You don't have to carry any of your cables unless you have this three type with one USB-C cable, USB-C, USB-C-A, so you can charge three at once outlet. And this one, guys, lighter and smaller, and it's very good for travel or anywhere you will go. And this power bank can use for few days, like 1000 mAh, and it can be used for charge three at once. Stand out with every charge. Power indicator, which very cute, and with a pouch that you can carry safely in your travel, and it's airplane approved that you can bring it anywhere wherever you are. Got it in Amazon. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. And see, there's a handle too.